You want some cool GIF animation or banner for your website? Here's how you create one. So I have opened my project and there are a couple of layers in it. Let's see what these layers are. I have a group down here which contains the stationary elements. There's a background, a rectangle, some text, and a button. I'm gonna lock this group to prevent accidental changes to these. Above that, I have 3 circles or rings, photo of a product, my main text, and 2 gift boxes with different sizes. In this text group, I have some other groups and layers. These 2 are for actual text and its shadow. These would also stay in place, so I lock them, but these groups are for the lights around the text. I have 2 groups of lights and have on and off stats for each. So I have 1 on, 1 off, 2 on and 2 off. Oh, I think I missed one light here. Let me fix this quickly. And also these ring layers have some glow effects on them which we can turn on or off. Okay, now that we know what these layers are, we can go ahead and animate this design. First we need to open Timeline panel. For this, go to the window menu and click on Timeline down here. It will appear at the bottom of your screen. Now you can create the first frame of your animation here by clicking on this button at the center. If it's saying create video timeline, you have to change it by clicking on this arrow and choose create frame animation. Let me make this panel a little bigger. Now with your desired layers turned on, click on the button to create your first frame. Oh, the panel got smaller again. And looks like I can't resize it. Anyway. Here you can see the first frame of your animation. Below the thumbnail you can see it says 0 sec. This is the duration of your frame. If you click on it, you can choose different durations like 0.5 or 1 second, all the way up to 10 seconds. I'm going to choose 0.2 for this one. Then click on this plus icon, which is duplicate selected frames, to make a copy of your current frame. Now I want to turn off the first set of lights and turn on the second set. That's all the changes I wanted for the second frame. Now the third one. Again, click on the plus icon to create another frame. For this one, I toggle the text lights again, and also I want to turn on the glow of this ring too. To see the results, you can press this play button down here and see the animation and say, wow, I really need to like this video. You see this menu here saying forever. You can click on it and choose how many times you want your animation to be repeated. I choose forever for an infinite loop. On to the next frame. Click on plus, then make your changes. I toggle the lights and not touching the rings for this one. Another frame. Lights. And I turn on the second ring this time. Also, I want to change the size of this box to after every 2 frames. On frame 1 and 2, I want it to be small, so I click on frame 3, then turn on the big box layer. Then same thing for frame 4. That's it. Then I continue toggling lights for each frame and lighting up rings after 2 frames. Okay, first part is over and you can see the animation. Then I want to turn all the lights off and on 3 times, each lasting 2 frames. For that, after my last frame, which has all the lights on, I create a new frame and turn all the lights off. Then another frame to double the time. Now another one with all the lights on and large gift box. Then duplicate it. Actually, there's a better way for this. Let me delete these frames. Instead of 2 frames with duration of 0.2 second, we can have one with 0.4 duration. So one click on this number and select other and enter 0.4 and click on OK. Then duplicate it and turn off all the lights for this one. and repeat it 2 more times. Now that our animation is complete, it's time to save it as a GIF file. For this, you can press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-S keys or go to File menu, Export, and click on Save for Web. In the new window, you can see your design and you'll need to choose GIF from this drop-down menu, and also you can play your animation from this play button down here. In the colors field, you can choose how many colors you want your GIF to have. Less color equals to smaller file size. Also, gradients, shadows, glows, and photos with lots of colors are not good to be used in GIFs. You can choose smaller numbers for any file, but you'll lose quality. Anyways, after you set this number, you can click on Save, choose a path, and save your GIF. And as you can see, our animated banner is ready to be uploaded. The comment section below this video is where you can ask all of your questions about Photoshop. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials every week. Hit the like and see you in the next video.